Welcome back to Island Life Live, preparing the next generation of leaders for an increasingly interconnected world and promoting citizen diplomacy one handshake at a time.
The Pacific and Asian Affairs Council, or PAAC, is building bridges, inspiring young leaders, and developing global citizens. And joining us right now, we welcome her back to our hale. Carol Lee is here.
Hi.
She is the Study Tours Director for PAAC. And then we got Jaden Tran, a PAAC student from Kalani High School. How's it? Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Welcome back to the hale. In fact, visiting other people's hale and countries really is what PAAC is all about, right?
Absolutely, and doing it in a very respectful and educational manner.
100%. Now, Carol, let's start with you. What are the PAAC Summer Study Tours offered in June of next year?
Yes, so we are very excited because we're not offering just one, but we're offering 2 summer study tours next June. So first one will be to Taiwan, and the second one will be to Palau.
Wow. That is amazing. Can I ask why you folks chose those particular places?
Yes, so of course we're called PAAC, Pacific and Asian Affairs Council, thinking about how can we be better friends and build better relationships to our neighbors in the Pacific. And there's so many parallels between both Taiwan and Palau and Hawaiʻi. So when students go, not only will they see the differences, but they'll probably think of ideas and things to bring back home here.
That is amazing. And speaking of which, we actually had a student that just came off of a PAAC study tour in, was it Vietnam, brother?
Yes, Vietnam.
Awesome.
Wow.
Jaden, tell us how you got into participating with PAAC and some of your experience.
Yeah, so I started with PAAC about 3 years ago, and throughout this time I learned about the study tours, and I applied for Vietnam. And I'd say applying for this Vietnam study tour was really a great opportunity for me to understand like the broader world around me. Like I think one of the biggest things is it provided me with a unique perspective that I wouldn't have like just staying here. Like being in person to experience the sights, the sounds, the smells, even trying the food, like trying the culture. It was something that is going to stick with me and really made me more appreciative of daily life.
Yeah, and I want to ask you, how did you apply that, or how do you apply that, what you learned to your daily life?
Yeah, so one of the things that I learned is I gained like many skills, like leadership skills, and again, like I said, the global perspective, and I'm trying to bring that back to impact like my community, whether that's at our Kalani PAAC Club or do other projects that like I can contribute within. Yeah.
So you guys have a Kalani PAAC Club?
Yes.
Wow, that's awesome. Every school should have one.
Yeah.
That's great. I love that. Carol, how can Hawaiʻi high school students apply? Because I believe it's open for not just public school, but on the broader level, right?
Yes, any Hawaiʻi high school student can apply. And this includes public, charter, independent, any Hawaii high school student. So you can go to our website, hawaiistudytours.org, if that's easy to remember. And then you can see the application. It is a little extensive with essays, transcripts, teacher recs, but the holidays are a perfect time to apply. So you have about a month to apply. The applications are due January 12th. So exactly a month from now.
And what about for families that might need a little bit of help getting their high schooler to that country of choice, to Taiwan and to Palau?
Yes, so we offer scholarships and financial aid. So thanks to the generosity of our partners, the Freeman Foundation and the Mamoru Aiko Takitani Foundation, we are able to help with the costs for the trips.
Awesome. Yeah, I love that.
This is amazing, family. There's all of that information for you right up on the screen. Nice and easy to see. And I agree, Carol, this is a great downtime for people to grab the information they need to fill out that application and get their high schoolers enjoying an incredible experience in another country.
Yes.
Beautiful. Carol Lee of PAAC. We have Jaden Tran of Kalani High School. Make sure to go on over to paachawaii.org or hawaiistudytours.org.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, we're going to take another quick break.